Hello guys, today we are making roti garlic bread. For that we want cheese, corn, tomato, onion, coriander leaves, fried garlic, butter, mayonnaise, pasta and pizza sauce, red chili flakes, and take salt. We should put butter in this bowl, add garlic, add little coriander leaves, and add little red chili flakes. Mix it. Mix well and keep aside. Take a bowl, add onion, tomato, corn, cheese, and coriander leaves. Add red chili flakes too. Stir it. Take chapati, add pasta and pizza sauce, add mayonnaise, mix it on the chapati. Apply on the chapati. Now mix the paste. You should apply it to chapati. Put this what we made that time. Chapati you fold by half and apply this paste. Take non-stick tawa, apply butter, put on the pan, wait for 5 minutes. Apply paste to other side also. Slice 4 pieces. Now our roti garlic bread is ready. If you like this roti garlic bread and this video, please like, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.